Tire pressure monitoring reset in a Mercedes. This is a 2013 model and it is the B-Class B200 CDI. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so with all the tire pressures already checked and up to the correct level, we go down to this section here and you press the side button first. If you look down here as I'm scrolling across, you get to the service and one message section is applied. You go down to the tire pressure, you press enter and restart with OK. Tire pressure is now OK. Go down, press yes, and the run flat indicator has restarted. We turn the key off, key back on, and as you can see, the warning has now been removed and this tire pressure monitoring has now been reset. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.